Hi guys, I'm Seb, head bartender and mixologist at Gin and Tonic, and I'm here today to teach you one of my absolute favorite cocktails, The Last Word. So The Last Word is another prohibition-style cocktail which originates from America. Its origins date back to 1920s Detroit Athletic Club. Since it was created, it enjoyed a huge popularity for the first 30-40 years. It was also featured in 1951's Ted Saucier's edition, Bottoms Up. But soon after that, it faded into obscurity. We don't really have any records of it afterwards, but we do have a revival of it. 2005 in Seattle, in the Zigzag bar in Seattle, we have Murray Stenson, which actually came across Ted Saucier's Bottoms Up book, the original edition, and he found this citrusy but also highly botanical and strong cocktail, and he just decided to put it back on the menu. It was an instant success, and in a matter of 2 years the cocktail spread through all the cocktail bars around New York, and it was back in trend. So again, this cocktail is a simple and balanced drink. The beauty of it actually lies in simplicity. We're using equal parts, and we're creating a fine balance between sweet, sour, but also botanical. So it's gonna be a shaken drink, and I'm gonna go ahead and pre-chill my glass first. So we're just gonna let that chill on the side. And we are ready to add the first ingredient. We're gonna be using Gin and Tonic Mercato Gin, which is really botanical. And you have hints of rosemary, thyme, and fresh basil in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and add 25 ml of Mercato Gin. Next, I'm gonna be using green chartreuse, and we're gonna add 25 ml of that as well to the mix. So just a bit about chartreuse. Chartreuse is actually a unique spirit. It's one of the spirits which is in a shred of mystery. The story goes actually that only 2 people on the planet know the recipe. Originally it's created by monks, and it's still created in the same monastery for the past 400 years in France. So next I've added 25 ml of Maraschino liqueur, and this is sour cherry liqueur from Italy. So we have our sweet side in there as well, and now we're just going to complement and balance that with acidity with 25 ml of lime juice. There we go. So next, we're just going to ice that up all the way to the top. Give it a firm shake. Lovely. We're gonna discard the ice and double strain everything into our pre-chilled Nicanora glass. As a garnish, we're gonna go for one of the ingredients which we already have inside the mix. We're gonna go for a Marasca cherry. Sink that all the way to the bottom. So there we have it. Fresh, citrusy, botanical, but also strong. They say it's the last drink you should order before leaving the bar. The last word. Cheers.